In front of me is Realme 10 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Realme. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck. Now get this free app from Flare2 developer. DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!